everybody! So I mentioned before in a previous video that I got into a wind ensemble, and I have not been vlogging the wind ensemble journey like I have been my orchestra journey, but we are getting ready for a concert, so I wanted to bring you along. I'd like to take a moment of silence for this shoulder. Let's just look at it. Moment of silence. This will be the last time you ever see her in her original form, because after today she will be permanently changed. I am getting a tattoo! Yeah.
That like my homestead friends like all fucking rave about. Mm-hmm. That's what I want to get him. So if you peek at
¿Tú has tratado sancocho aquí? ¿Ah? ¿Tú has tratado sancocho aquí? Te hacen sancocho también, ¿verdad? No, no.
Bless you! Bless you!
Screw you, you did this.
I did not do this. We're sick. If you did wind ensemble at any point in your life, you will recognize this. Would it be weird to give you like a tattoo tour? I have the Millennium Falcon. It says Fly Casual under it. It's a Star Wars reference. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. This is the first tattoo I ever got when I was 21. It's a peacock feather. Again, pretty straightforward. You've seen all of these on my workout videos, but let me show you the big one in all its glory. I told her I wanted a skull, and I told her I wanted it feminine, but badass. So this is what she gave me. I really like what she did with the flower coming out of the eye socket. I don't know if you can, I don't know, because I didn't realize that I wouldn't really be able to see it because it's on my back. So I don't really get to see it very much, but there it is. This one, I wanted to go with kind of like a witchy theme. I love this little moth thing that she did with the skull. That is my sign. I'm a Libra. This is supposed to look kind of like the moon, which I really like. I love the way she did the leaves, like the detail on the leaves, like the shading, like they're very nice. There's a little broom here. Love that. And then here we have antlers or sticks. I'm not sure. They look like antlers. And she did a crystal here, and then I asked for a spider web, so she did that in gray. I think she also did this one in gray too. But this is like pointillistic, kind of like dots. Like she used a thinner needle and gray ink to do this one. And yeah, just kind of like witchy garden vibes. But this is the start of my sleeve, and I'm I'm stoked. I love it. It's still healing, so it's like, it looks very bold right now because it's like fresh and brand new, but it's like, it's still healing. So, but I love it. So we have our windows open currently because it's 75 degrees in November and sunny. Like what? Ow. Mine is crooked, but you basically just like twist this down and then you gotta, where's the pump? Hold on. Okay, we have our lovely assistant Colin here.
What the F are you talking about?
Okay, so you unscrew this at the top, and then with the pump, you gotta make sure that this, wait, is it out first? You gotta put it, yeah, you gotta, okay, here. Now Colin will show us.
Start with it in.
Start with it in. Okay, and then you attach it just like that, and then you gotta squeeze the thing out. So now it's on there. It's not gonna move. And then you pump it, so pump it. Mine is 120 PSI. It should say the PSI on your tire, but as long as you can, you know, as long as you push it and it doesn't go in, it's fine. What am I at now?
This thing can spin. It doesn't. You probably won't have one of these, but there's a little line in there that says 120.
120. Pump it. Pump it. It's only going to Caroline. Don't worry. Oh yeah. Getting it pumped. Look at those muscles go. Yeah. Okay, and then you take it out, and then you turn it back in, and then you're good to go.
And then you let the bike sit there for 6 months and do it again.
Shut up. It's November. We turned the clocks back today. Windows should not be open at this time of year. It's beautiful, but like, our tulips are gonna come up. Like, this is ridiculous. I forgot to vlog the whole concert.